So I'm just in the San Diego airport and been encouraged by one of my friends at Surreal Cycling, Todd Smith. He's like, hey, show us what you do. Anyway, so with these magic boards, so I got this link back from my VA, Janu, who has been working on this. What this does is basically take our podcast from last week, add it to a page on our website, create a Facebook post to it, and then adds it to the retargeting campaign. So I had to do one piece of work, which is to say, hey, here's the target for this thing to go to. So determine the product and link. And that, what I realized is that could go in a previous system that this whole thing's based on. But at the moment, I basically had to come down to the podcast board that was marked as waiting with my name on it. And then I bring it through. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Solving the chicken, the egg problem, business ops, SOPs. And I was like, okay, that should go to the app. So you can see here, I put this in, www.magicboards.io. And essentially he has then gone ahead with the next steps, which is create the page and add copy. We use ChatGPT for that. The prompt is here. And then there's a continuing prompt. Based on the results below, create three variations. So he pastes that in. And then he pastes this one. Based on the results below, create 3 very short and compelling image text overlay options. Give me image ideas that can be put on Canva. So we hold all of our AI prompts in the process section. And then down here, we've actually got the copy that's been produced. So this is the first time I've seen this. Outdated SOPs cost you time and money to discover the fix, turn data SOP into dynamic systems that drive results, crack the code to scalability, real time. I like the first one the most. I'm just going to delete that. And delete that. Let's check this up. Updated SOPs costing time and money to discover the fix. Some real-time outcomes pretty pro and eliminate confusion. It's pretty good. Okay, I don't like that one as much. Upgrade and code and cost it project. Learn how to align your instructions. Real-time outlines to improve productivity. Okay, let's go with that. So just headline one, but I like having that headline and subhead to choose from. And then we've got a couple of choices here. The same with the page title. Dynamic SOP, real-time SOP, fixed business challenge. I'm going to go with that third one. Explore proven methods, updating certain project delays. Okay, cool. We've got our URL extension. Update SOPs fast. That sounds pretty reasonable. Get rid of these two. And get rid of the page titles because we don't want that. And then I'll just be left with these 3 to choose from. Asset line process, scale your operations, go strategies. Avoid confusion, drive team success, or proven messages. I'm going to go with this one. I think it follows pretty nicely from the past one. So we'll go with that. Dunk. Okay, cool. Now I got my page title. So let's just have a look. We got my headline, got my subhead, got my page title, my description, my URL. And now we've got a CTA, a couple of options here as well. Class to character, transforming projects today. Get started now. Okay, cool. That one looks pretty good. Back, outdated SOPs. You know what? Let's drop that in as the headline because that would keep consistency through the entire experience. MagicBoards in real time. So probably nothing over the other one. Upgrade workflow, don't like. And make team coordination effortless versus start building better systems today. I'm going to keep that one. See if anything else. Headline, align, execute, succeed. Nah. Update, I don't. Nope. Explore magic boards. Nope. See how it works for your team. Okay, that is a better subtext here. All right, cool. All right, so that is all done. I'm going to save that, close that. I'm going to mark that. Well, I didn't mark it working on, but now it's ready, and I'm going to move it back to Janu, and he will know that that is now ready. Okay, let's have a look at this next one, copy for Facebook. So we've got a short, a medium, and a long. Sometimes this ChatGPT stuff around systems and processes is kind of dense. It's hard to read. Let's just go with the short ones. Procedures, regularly review and update. Okay, okay, cool. We're going to send them to the podcast. You know what? I'm just going to grab that short one, and we're just going to go with a short post. normally doing longer ones, so I'm going to save that, close that, mark it. Now, I'll show you how to properly do this next time. Okay, words for Canva. Okay, now my team knows that I'm working on this. And let's come in here. Outdated, so outdated results. No, okay. Really like these two. Causing chaotic results. Cool, so we're speaking directly to the problem that the podcast hand talked about. Outcomes for clarity and success. Dynamic scalable success. Dynamic system scalable success. I don't mind that scalable success thing, because that's one of the core problems. All right, close all that. Image ideas. I'm just going to leave these image ideas. My team usually choose great ones, so close that down. And now I can move this to ready and put that to Janu, and he now knows that that's ready. I got one last thing, which is to review the data card. So I have done all of that. That is done, and he'll get a notification that I've completed that, and then he will take on the next things, which is building the page, posting the Canva image to Facebook, and then finally my piece is to come into Facebook and add it to the campaign when these are done. You see how this allows both the work to be seen, what's being done by who. I'll just mark that done. I've seen the states at the moment, so it's a little bit off for timing. He might. And then also that these ones are ready for Janu to work on, ready and ready. So I've reviewed them all. That is the extent of the work for this. The outcome will be that we will have a re-campaignable ad that goes in Facebook and drives people that have been to any of our pages back to this week's episode. So if this is something that you're like, oh my goodness, I am doing a podcast and I'm not setting up retargeting ads to send people, and you want to do it, then we have this in the library, I think, where you can just instant install and download it. If we don't, and you want it, then you can let me know. Let's have a look. Podcast launch, podcast planner, podcast production. I don't think we have it yet, but we can add in retargeting. It's working pretty well. That's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of MagicBoards. Reach out to me if you want some help.